Imagine this, you're splitting a bill with friends at a restaurant. The waiter comes around, everyone fumbles for cash or their cards, and the awkward dance of who has the right amount begins. But what if there was a simpler way? In Norway, that simpler way exists in the form of Vipps, a mobile payment app that's become so ubiquitous it's practically a verb. But have you ever wondered who created this game changer in the world of finance? From humble beginnings to national phenomenon. The story of Vipps starts in 2015 with DNB, Norway's largest financial services group. Recognizing the growing trend of mobile payments, DNB saw an opportunity to revolutionize the way Norwegians handled their money. Their brainchild? Vipps, a mobile app designed for seamless peer-to-peer transactions. The concept was simple: link your bank account to the app, and you could send or receive money using just a phone number. No more fumbling for cash, no more awkward card swipes, just a quick tap and the money's on its way. Rapid adoption and evolving landscape. Vipps launched in May 2015, and its success was nothing short of phenomenal. Within just 6 months, it had reached a staggering 1 million users, that's nearly a fifth of Norway's entire population at the time. This rapid adoption wasn't just because of the convenience factor. Vipps was also designed with security in mind. By leveraging existing banking infrastructure and robust authentication methods, it instilled trust in users who were hesitant to embrace a new way of paying. But Vipps didn't stop there. It quickly evolved beyond simple peer-to-peer transactions. Soon, users could pay bills, shop online, and even donate to charities, all within the confines of the app. This expansion made Vipps an indispensable part of everyday life for many Norwegians. Beyond borders, the rise of Vipps Mobile Pay. Fast forward to 2022, and Vipps took another bold step. Recognizing the growing need for a unified mobile payment system across the Nordic region, they merged forces with Mobile Pay, the leading payment app in Denmark and Finland. This powerhouse union created Vipps Mobile Pay, a single platform catering to millions of users across the Nordics. This merger not only streamlined payments within the region but also opened exciting new possibilities for further growth. Vipps Mobile Pay now has the potential to become a major player in the European mobile payment landscape. So, who created Vipps? While DNB played a pivotal role in its inception, Vipps' success is a testament to its ability to adapt and cater to the evolving needs of its users. From its humble beginnings as a peer-to-peer payment app, it's grown into a multifaceted platform that's revolutionized the way people think about money in Norway and beyond. With that, thanks for watching, and until next time.